Good morning, it's the 8th of October 2023. It's pretty early morning, it's nearly 7 o'clock here in Perth, Western Australia. Here's my hydroponic garden, vegetable garden, which is on the driveway in front of my garage or shed here. These are recirculating Dutch buckets. We've got tomatoes in the front, which I'm training up these strings, and then I can lower and lean them down and make them longer. Over in the background here on the pipe system, we've got snow peas on the top. They're climbing up that bit of mesh. Down the bottom there is a couple of parsley and some sweet basil and some lettuce down the end. This is a little seedling station. We've grown some cosmos here, some flowers to put in the garden. They're growing. Started them off in cocoa peat and perlite mix, and now we're feeding them half strength hydroponic fertilizer. This just to keep it kicking on. These 10 Dutch buckets here. The first 3 have got cucumbers in them. We're just starting to get cucumbers, but we need some male flowers in here. These are all female flowers. You can see they have the cucumber there, which if this flower gets pollinated, it'll develop into a fruit. If not, it'll just fall off. So we're looking for some male flowers. Plenty of female. The male will come. We just got to wait. So there's 3 buckets there with cucumbers, and then these ones are butternut pumpkin. You can see the marking on the leaf here is different to these leaves. So these are butternut pumpkins. I'll train them. They'll go right up over this mesh and over the shade house and stuff. That'll be cool. And these ones are going to be rock melon cantaloupe, 3 buckets. We started some seeds, I'll show you them. And this one is zucchini. Again, these markings on the leaf is just a normal leaf thing. So we've got plenty of female fruit and flowers, but no males. But you can still eat these when they're small like that. I'm going to take them off and probably will, I reckon, mix them with some onions and a bit of capsicum and fry them on the barbecue. So this is all coming out of these 2 systems are coming out of this drum. Pumps running 24 hours a day. And over here, this is a flood and drain bed. It's got gravel in it, and we're growing some ball carrots. These are bush beans or dwarf beans, and radish. So that's got a 100-litre reservoir down here. It's got some tadpoles in there at the moment. Frogs have laid babies in there. And so this floods every 3 hours. It's a gravel bed. It's got 5 millimetre, say 1/4 inch gravel, and it's 5 inches deep, and it works really well. I'm going to grow sweet corn in here later. This crop's all finished, so that's doing really well. The beans are just starting to flower. My radishes are kind of not quite ready, but my wife's already eating them, and the carrots are just starting to push up out of the ground, so there's some of them already. Got a few little bugs flying around this morning. So that's flood and drain, beautiful. And then so it's got an A-frame here with a pipe system on it, and then also runs this system here, which is Dutch buckets. And then that all pumps out of this 100-litre reservoir here. So these lettuces, we've got some coloured ones at the top, and these are cos or romaine lettuce, like a minuet here. So these are really good though. Be ready in about another week or so. Over here, these are sweet basil and some more parsley down the end. So these have been in about a week, I think, these guys. So the roots are down into the nutrient solution and this pumps all the time, non-stop. Over here we've got some silver beet. These are kind of almost finished. I'm going to take them out and replace them with another crop of silver beet. They're really good. We've got some celery here, just planted this week. And then here's some chilies. Haven't tried how hot these are yet. The plant was given to me, but they're pretty good. And then on the front we've got 4 buckets with gross list tomatoes. And again, they're growing on a string. They'll grow up to here. And then I can unspool the string, make it longer. And over here again, we've got more tomatoes. So there's 2 gross lists, and then the other 3, I'm not sure. There's something different. These are just starting to get tomatoes now. And then up the top, we've got 2 zucchinis. 1 zucchini down the end. Some capsicum. Some more silver beet, which I'm going to change. Some of these these are capsicum. They look like I'm not sure what they are, but they're not hot anyway. They taste really nice, so we've been eating them. More capsicum, more chilies here. This is okra. More tomatoes. And that's about it. Have a great day.